Despite the rise of artificial intelligence and automation, learning programming remains a vital skill in today's world. There are many compelling reasons why programming is still essential and will remain such in the years to come. The increasing presence of artificial intelligence and automation in various industries has led some to believe that the need for human programmers will decrease. However, the opposite is true. As AI systems become more prevalent, the need for human programmers to develop, train and maintain these systems will only increase. AI and automation are not a replacement for human programmers, but rather a tool that requires human oversight and maintenance to function efficiently and effectively. For instance, AI systems need to be trained on large datasets, which requires human programmers to collect, preprocess, and label the data. Moreover, AI models need to be fine-tuned and updated regularly to ensure they remain accurate and relevant, a task that requires human expertise and judgment. Furthermore, AI systems are not perfect and can make mistakes, which can have significant consequences in critical applications such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Human programmers are needed to monitor AI systems, detect errors, and correct them in real time. This requires a deep understanding of the underlying algorithms, data structures, and software architecture that power AI systems. Additionally, as AI systems become more complex, the need for human programmers to debug and troubleshoot issues will increase. This is because AI systems often involve multiple components and interfaces, making it challenging to identify and resolve problems without human intervention. By having human programmers involved in the development and maintenance of AI systems, we can ensure that these systems operate reliably, securely, and efficiently. The importance of human oversight and maintenance in AI systems is also evident in the concept of explainability in AI. As AI systems make decisions that affect people's lives, there is a growing need to understand how these decisions are made. Human programmers are needed to develop techniques and tools that can explain the decision-making process of AI systems, making them more transparent and accountable. This requires a deep understanding of the underlying algorithms and data used to train AI models, as well as the ability to communicate complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. By involving human programmers in the development and deployment of AI systems, we can ensure that these systems are not only efficient and effective, but also fair, transparent, and accountable. In conclusion, the notion that AI and automation will replace human programmers is a misconception. Instead, these technologies will augment the role of human programmers, making them more essential than ever. As AI systems become more prevalent, the need for human programmers to develop, train, and maintain these systems will increase, ensuring that they operate efficiently, effectively, and responsibly. By recognizing the importance of human oversight and maintenance in AI systems, we can harness the full potential of these technologies to drive innovation, improve productivity, and enhance our lives. This, in turn, highlights the continued relevance and importance of learning programming skills, as the demand for skilled programmers who can work with AI and automation technologies will only continue to grow in the coming years. The ability to create customized solutions to unique problems is a key benefit of programming. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business landscape, organizations need to be able to adapt quickly to stay ahead of the competition. Programming allows individuals and organizations to develop tailored solutions that meet their specific needs, rather than relying on off-the-shelf software that may not fully address their requirements. For example, a hospital may need a customized system to manage patient records, track medication, and analyze medical imaging data. By developing a bespoke solution, the hospital can improve patient care, reduce costs, and gain a competitive advantage. Similarly, a financial institution may require a customized trading platform to execute complex transactions and stay ahead of the market. By creating a tailored solution, the institution can minimize risk, maximize returns, and maintain its position as a leader in the industry. The ability to create customized solutions through programming also drives innovation in various industries. When organizations are able to develop solutions that meet their specific needs, they are more likely to experiment with new ideas and approaches, This can lead to breakthroughs in fields such as healthcare, finance, and education, where customized solutions can be used to address complex challenges and improve outcomes. For instance, programming can be used to develop personalized learning platforms that adapt to the needs of individual students, or to create virtual reality experiences that simulate real-world environments for training and education. By providing a means to create customized solutions, programming enables organizations to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what is possible. In addition to driving innovation, programming also enables organizations to differentiate themselves from their competitors in a world where many companies are using the same off-the-shelf software. Developing a customized solution can be a key differentiator. For example, a company that develops a bespoke e-commerce platform can provide a unique user experience that sets it apart from its competitors. Similarly, a company that creates a customized data analytics platform can gain insights that its competitors may not have, allowing it to make more informed decisions and stay ahead of the market. By leveraging programming to create customized solutions, organizations can establish a competitive advantage and maintain their position as leaders in their industry. The importance of customization and innovation through programming is also evident in the rise of startups and entrepreneurs. Many successful startups have been built on the back of a customized solution developed through programming. For example, companies like Airbnb and Uber developed bespoke platforms that met the specific needs of their users and were able to scale quickly as a result. By providing a means to create customized solutions, programming enables entrepreneurs to turn their ideas into reality and to bring new products and services to market. This in turn drives economic growth, creates new opportunities, and improves people's lives. By recognizing the importance of customization and innovation through programming, we can unlock the full potential of technology to drive progress and improve the world around us. The job market demand for skilled programmers continues to outstrip supply, making programming a highly sought-after and lucrative career path. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of software developers is projected to grow 21% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. This growth is driven by the increasing demand for technology solutions in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and e-commerce, as companies continue to digitalize their operations and develop new products and services. The need for skilled programmers to design, develop, and maintain software systems will only increase. Furthermore, the rise of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things (IoT) will create new job opportunities for programmers who can develop and implement these technologies. The demand for skilled programmers is not limited to the tech industry. Many industries, including healthcare, finance, and education, require programmers to develop and maintain software systems that are critical to their operations. For example, hospitals need programmers to develop and maintain electronic health record systems, while financial institutions need programmers to develop and maintain trading platforms. As a result, programmers are in high demand across various industries, and companies are willing to pay a premium to attract and retain top talent. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a software engineer in the United States is over $124 per year, making it one of the highest-paying jobs in the country. In addition to the financial rewards, a career in programming also offers a high degree of job security and flexibility. Programmers are needed in almost every industry, and their skills are transferable across different sectors. This means that programmers can switch jobs or industries if they choose to, and can work remotely or as freelancers if they prefer. Furthermore, the rise of online learning platforms and coding boot camps has made it easier for people to acquire programming skills and transition into a career in tech. As a result, programming has become a popular career choice for people who are looking for a challenging and rewarding profession. It offers a high degree of autonomy and flexibility. The importance of programming skills is also evident in the fact that many companies are now requiring programming skills as a basic qualification for a wide range of jobs. Even non-technical roles, such as data analysis and business development, require some level of programming proficiency. This is because programming skills are essential for working with data, developing analytical models, and communicating with technical teams. As a result, having programming skills can give job seekers a competitive edge in the job market and can open up new career opportunities that may not have been available otherwise. By learning programming, individuals can future-proof their careers and stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. The ability to learn programming skills has a profound impact on an individual's digital literacy and problem-solving abilities. Programming teaches individuals how to think logically, break down complex problems into manageable parts, and develop creative solutions. These skills are highly transferable and can be applied to a wide range of fields, from science and engineering to business and finance. By learning programming, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of how technology works and how to harness its power to solve real-world problems. This, in turn, can lead to improved critical thinking, analytical reasoning, and problem-solving skills, which are essential for success in today's fast-paced and rapidly changing world. Moreover, programming skills can also improve an individual's ability to work with data and make informed decisions. In today's data-driven world, being able to collect, analyze, and interpret data is a highly valuable skill. Programming languages such as Python, R, and Scala provide individuals with the tools they need to work with data and develop insights that can inform business decisions, public policy, and personal choices. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to extract insights from data, identify patterns and trends, and communicate their findings effectively to others. This can lead to improved decision-making, increased productivity, and better outcomes in a wide range of fields. In addition to the practical benefits, learning programming can also have a profound impact on an individual's cognitive abilities and mindset. Programming requires individuals to think creatively, experiment with new ideas, and persist in the face of challenges. These skills are essential for innovation and entrepreneurship, and can help individuals develop a growth mindset that is essential for success in today's fast-paced and rapidly changing world. By learning programming, individuals can develop a sense of confidence and self-efficacy that can translate to other areas of their lives, from personal relationships to professional pursuits. This in turn can lead to improved mental health, increased motivation, and a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. The importance of programming skills for digital literacy and problem solving is also evident in the fact that many educational institutions are now incorporating programming into their curricula, from elementary school to university. Programming is being taught as a fundamental skill that is essential for success in the 21st century. This is because programming is no longer just a technical skill, but a fundamental literacy that is essential for navigating the digital world. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to participate fully in the digital economy, engage with technology in a meaningful way, and make informed decisions about the role of technology in their lives. As a result, programming is becoming an essential skill for anyone who wants to succeed in today's world, regardless of their profession or background. Furthermore, the benefits of programming skills can also extend beyond the individual to society as a whole. By teaching programming skills to a wider range of people, we can create a more digitally literate and technologically savvy population that is better equipped to participate in the digital economy. This in turn can lead to increased innovation, improved productivity, and better economic outcomes. Additionally, programming skills can also be used to address some of the world's most pressing social and environmental challenges, from climate change to inequality and social injustice. By harnessing the power of programming to drive social and environmental impact, we can create a better future for all and ensure that the benefits of technology are shared by everyone. The ability to address emerging technologies and societal challenges is a critical reason why programming skills are essential in today's world. As technology continues to evolve and advance, new challenges and opportunities are emerging that require programming skills to address. For example, the Internet of Things (IoT) is creating new opportunities for innovation and growth, but it also raises important questions about data security, privacy, and ethics. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to work with IoT devices, collect and analyze data, and develop solutions that address these challenges. Another area where programming skills are essential is in the field of cybersecurity. As more and more devices become connected to the internet, the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches is increasing. Programming skills are essential for developing secure software and systems that can protect against these threats. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to identify vulnerabilities, develop secure code, and respond to cyber threats. This is critical not only for individuals and organizations but also for society as a whole, as cyber attacks can have significant economic and social consequences. In addition to IoT and cybersecurity, programming skills are also essential for addressing societal challenges such as climate change, healthcare, and education. For example, programming can be used to develop models and simulations that help us understand and predict the impacts of climate change. It can also be used to develop personalized medicine and healthcare solutions that improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. Furthermore, programming can be used to develop educational software and platforms that improve learning outcomes and increase access to education. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to tackle these challenges and make a positive impact on society. The importance of programming skills for addressing emerging technologies and societal challenges is also evident in the fact that many organizations and governments are investing heavily in programming education and training. For example, the European Union's Horizon 2020 program has invested billions of euros in programming education and research, with a focus on developing skills in areas such as AI, IoT, and cybersecurity. Similarly, many companies are offering programming training and education programs to their employees, recognizing the importance of programming skills for innovation and competitiveness. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to participate in these initiatives and make a meaningful contribution to addressing the challenges of the 21st century. Moreover, programming skills can also be used to address issues of digital inequality and access. As technology continues to advance, there is a growing risk that certain groups will be left behind, including low-income communities, rural areas, and individuals with disabilities. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to develop solutions that address these issues, such as accessible software and hardware, digital literacy programs, and online platforms that promote social inclusion. This can help to ensure that the benefits of technology are shared by all and that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. By harnessing the power of programming to drive social and economic change, we can create a more just and equitable society for all. The ability to address emerging technologies and societal challenges is a critical reason why programming skills are essential in today's world. As technology continues to evolve and advance, new challenges and opportunities are emerging that require programming skills to address. For example, the Internet of Things (IoT) is creating new opportunities for innovation and growth, but it also raises important questions about data security, privacy, and ethics. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to work with IoT devices, collect and analyze data, and develop solutions that address these challenges. Another area where programming skills are essential is in the field of cybersecurity. As more and more devices become connected to the internet, the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches is increasing. Programming skills are essential for developing secure software and systems that can protect against these threats. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to identify vulnerabilities, develop secure code, and respond to cyber threats. This is critical not only for individuals and organizations but also for society as a whole, as cyber attacks can have significant economic and social consequences. In addition to IoT and cybersecurity, programming skills are also essential for addressing societal challenges such as climate change, healthcare, and education. In conclusion, the importance of programming skills in today's world cannot be overstated. As we have seen, programming is no longer just a technical skill, but a fundamental literacy that is essential for success in the 21st century. Whether it's developing solutions to complex problems, driving innovation and entrepreneurship, or addressing societal challenges, programming skills are critical for individuals, organizations, and societies to thrive. By learning programming, individuals can develop a wide range of skills, from problem-solving and critical thinking to creativity and collaboration, that are essential for success in today's fast-paced and rapidly changing world. Moreover, the demand for programming skills is only going to increase in the coming years as technology continues to advance and evolve. As we have seen, emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, and blockchain are creating new opportunities for innovation and growth, but they also require programming skills to develop and implement. By investing in programming education and training, individuals, organizations, and governments can ensure that they have the skills they need to participate in these initiatives and drive economic growth and social progress. Furthermore, programming skills can also be used to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change and healthcare to education and digital inequality. By harnessing the power of programming to drive social and economic change, we can create a better future for all. The benefits of programming skills are not limited to individuals and organizations, but also extend to society as a whole. By developing a more digitally literate and technologically savvy population, we can create a more innovative and competitive economy, improve education and healthcare outcomes, and address some of the world's most pressing social and environmental challenges. Moreover, programming skills can also be used to promote social inclusion and digital equality. By developing solutions that address issues of access and affordability, and by providing opportunities for underrepresented groups to participate in the digital economy. By recognizing the importance of programming skills and investing in programming education and training, we can create a more just and equitable society for all. The need for programming skills in today's world is clear, as technology continues to advance and evolve. The demand for programming skills will only increase, and individuals, organizations, and governments must invest in programming education and training to ensure that they have the skills they need to succeed. By learning programming, individuals can develop a wide range of skills, drive innovation and entrepreneurship, and address societal challenges. By harnessing the power of programming to drive social and economic change, we can create a better future for all and ensure that the benefits of technology are shared by everyone. As we move forward in this rapidly changing world, it is essential that we recognize the importance of programming skills and make a commitment to invest in programming education and training to create a more innovative, competitive, and equitable society for all. And, for example, programming can be used to develop models and simulations that help us understand and predict the impacts of climate change. It can also be used to develop personalized medicine and healthcare solutions that improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. Furthermore, programming can be used to develop educational software and platforms that improve learning outcomes and increase access to education. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to tackle these challenges and make a positive impact on society. The importance of programming skills for addressing emerging technologies and societal challenges is also evident in the fact that many organizations and governments are investing heavily in programming education and training. For example, the European Union's Horizon 2020 program has invested billions of euros in programming education and research, with a focus on developing skills in areas such as AI, IoT, and cybersecurity. Similarly, many companies are offering programming training and education programs to their employees. Recognizing the importance of programming skills for innovation and competitiveness, by learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to participate in these initiatives and make a meaningful contribution to addressing the challenges of the 21st century. Moreover, programming skills can also be used to address issues of digital inequality and access. As technology continues to advance, there is a growing risk that certain groups will be left behind, including low-income communities, rural areas, and individuals with disabilities. By learning programming, individuals can develop the skills they need to develop solutions that address these issues, such as accessible software and hardware, digital literacy programs, and online platforms that promote social inclusion. This can help to ensure that the benefits of technology are shared by all, and that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. By harnessing the power of programming to drive social and economic change, we can create a more just and equitable society for all.